I want to share with you how to start your YouTube channel, and not only start it, grow your channel in 2025. I'm going to give you all these steps. And if you do step number 6 is very important. You do step number 6 correctly, your channel will grow in 2025. And not only grow, possibly get monetized. Let's go. This is the first thing I want you to do. If you want to start and grow your YouTube channel in 2025, this is the first thing I want you to do. I want you to make a decision. Make a decision, because the first step in to grow your channel is to make a decision that you want to start a YouTube channel. Because if you don't make a decision, you're not even going to fulfill what you say you want to do and start this channel. To start the channel, you got to have the idea. I'm going to start this YouTube channel because I believe I have a message. I'm going to start this YouTube channel. You have to decide. That's the first major thing you have to do. Decide you will start a YouTube channel. The second thing, you have to start the YouTube channel. You got to find a niche. A lot of people stop even at that process because they say, well, what's my niche? I don't have a niche. I don't want to talk about sports. I don't want to talk about entertainment. I don't have a niche. What am I going to talk about? What I tell everybody in my time community, if you don't have a niche, you are the niche. You are the niche, because that stopped me in 2012. I didn't have a niche, and I said, I'm not even going to start a YouTube channel. I didn't start the channel, but I started videos, and I quit because I didn't have a niche. So I don't know people watching and nobody watching. So I said, it must be right. I don't have a niche. Nobody going to watch the videos. So that's why I stopped in 2012. But when I relaunched this channel, I discovered I'm the niche. That's why I started the channel, and the channel grew, because I'm the niche. All my information, all my topics I'm talking about, it's about me, and the things that I overcame, it can help you. That's how the channel grew in 5 months to be monetized. You are the niche. The next thing is the equipment. The equipment that you have to have is what's already in your hand. What's in your hand, Moses? I got a phone. What's in your hand, Moses? I got an earpiece. What's in your hand? This has stopped so many people from starting their YouTube channel, and not only starting, growing their YouTube channel, because they think they have to have a $2,000 camera, a $1,000 microphone, a background, a backdrop. They gotta have everything set up. No, you don't have to have everything set up. How to grow your YouTube channel? Use your phone. Use your earpiece. Use your studio. I'm in my studio right now. This is my car. I got monetized by sitting in my studio, which is my car. Look at my videos. 95% of those videos is shot in my car from my phone with my earpiece. Don't let the equipment stop you from starting and growing your YouTube channel. My channel grew just by using my iPhone. That's the number 3. Number 4, when you decide to start a YouTube channel and you discovered you're the niche and you know that you have the right equipment, your iPhone and your earpiece, that's all you need, you got to decide, are you going to do long form videos, or you're going to do those shorts, or you're going to do a live, the main thing on your channel. Say it again. Will your channel be focused on doing lives? Will you be focused on doing shorts, or will it focus on doing long form? You don't have to pick one. You can pick all 3, but it has to be one that you have to make a decision on. That's what you're going to focus on. Because if you're focusing on doing lives, your channel will grow. If you focus on doing long forms, your channel will grow, but it'll take longer. But if you focus on doing shorts, your channel will grow, but the monetization will take longer. So that's why you got to decide which form of YouTube you will do. Short form, long form, or doing a live. Once you get those 4 things going, you have to do number 5, which is take action. You have to take action. Once you make that decision, you're going to start YouTube, and you know what your niche is, which is you, and you know you got the equipment because the equipment is in your hand, Moses, and you already decided you're going to do a long form and a short form with a live, You got to take action. Because as long as it's in your head, you can't see it on the screen. As long as it's in your head that you made a decision and you don't take action, it's just going to be sitting there. I want you to take action. Type in the comment section, #action, if you understand what I'm saying. Because if you don't take action, your channel is not going to grow. If you don't take action, you won't even have a channel because you ain't even started the channel yet. You got to take action. Number 6, build a community. When you are starting your YouTube channel and you're going to grow your YouTube channel, you have to start a community so the channel can grow. Why? Because the easiest way to grow your channel, you already started it. Remember, you started. You already made the decision. You started the channel. You made the decision. You are the niche. You got the equipment that you need to get this channel growing. Then you said, okay, I'm going to do a long form video and I'm going to do some lives. Then you said, I'm taking action. You took action. And then you said, I'm going to do what I got to do to make this video and channel grow. Now you have to build this community so the channel can grow organically. When I say build a community, whatever you're focusing on in your videos, in your channel, have a community, and that will make your channel grow exponentially. Because once you have a community, those are the people that's rocking with you. Once you have a community, those are people who will watch your videos even when you are messing up. You got great content, but every content will not be great. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Every video that you post is not going to be a viral video. Every video that you post will not be a viral video. Come to the fact right now. You're thinking you're going to post a video right now and that video is going to get 10 million views, 100 million views like Mr. Beast. No. I'm not saying you can't do it. All I'm saying is have the realistic view that the videos that you post is for those assigned people. And assigned people are those people that's in your community. Even if you say, I don't know how to start a community. I don't know if I want a community. You will have a community if you want it or not. Why am I saying that? The people that watch your videos are your community. If you don't say anything, they will come and watch your videos and support you without saying a word. They'll leave a comment. You'll always see them in your lives. You'll always see them in the comment section. But if you be intentional and start the community with intentionality, your community will grow as you grow. And once that community understands that you're not doing it just to do it, that you focused and you giving them the content that you know that they need because they are assigned to you, your channel will grow. That's why I'm doing these videos. Anthony, my time. I'm doing these videos because this is my experience. In these 5 months that my channel got monetized, I tried everything. I tried, the long form video, the short form videos. I'm doing it live now. I got a 30-day YouTube challenge that if you want to participate in, leave a comment in the comment section, #30days. And I'll make sure you get the information. I'll share with you the link on how to get access to the 30-day YouTube monetization challenge. Leave #30days in the comment section because I want you to grow. Because as you grow your channel, your life will grow. And if your life will grow, your channel will grow. It has no other reason not to grow. And that's why I'm doing these videos. And somewhere up here, there's going to be some videos that can help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And I want you to watch those videos because it's going to help your channel grow if you started your YouTube channel already. So until next video, God bless.